Imagine dinosaurs soaring into flight. In ancient eras, colossal raptors dominated vast, wild landscapes, exuding raw power and mystery. Over millions of years, evolution sparked a dramatic change. Feathers emerged for warmth and display, setting the stage for flight. Once fierce predators like the Velociraptor began a remarkable transformation into agile winged creatures. Enter Archaeopteryx, the first true bird bridging a prehistoric past with the modern sky. With graceful flight and delicate beauty, these living relics remind us that nature never stands still. From thunderous roars to melodic chirps, the legacy of formidable dinosaurs soars in every songbird. Embrace this wonder and join us in unraveling evolution's breathtaking story. Our planet's ancient secrets reveal that change is constant. Marvel at evolution and discover how history continues to inspire the beauty of life every day.